Good morning, everyone. Today we are taking care of this cattle, and you can see these particular organisms are looking for something on the ground and eating, savoring them. You can see them all devouring the thing that is there on the ground, but you might not know what this plant is. So let me tell you, the fruits look like this, and this is a fruit of Ficus racemosus, and this is liked very much by cows and goats. This is also very useful plant if you are raising fisheries or chicken farm, because it contains carbohydrates, fats and proteins. So this is in a way a very complete nutrition for animals. So you can see them clearly. These cows are feeding very happily on the fruits that have dropped from this plant. If you look at the plant itself, it is very big. It's a giant tree, you can see it very well, and here on the ground are its fruits spilled all over. So you can see the contrast, how beautiful the fruit itself actually is, and when ripe it falls down without becoming soft. So you can also store the material in bags for a number of days. So if animals don't eat these droppings, let's say, they become like this. The fruit itself explodes, doesn't explode violently with a big sound, but it breaks apart, releasing all this material inside. You can see here that these are seeds, and these seeds contain oil. So if our animals get this kind of diet every day, maybe in a very small quantity, they will be very healthy. You can look at our ox, it is as strong as a Brishav himself. Our cows are fat and healthy like Kamadhenu herself, and our Dhara, our earth, is full of nutrition, moisture, and other living organisms. You can see them here. We live in a place that is immersed in the nature. गावो मध्ये वसाम्यहम् अग्रे गावः पश्चात् गावः गावो मध्ये वसाम्यहम्. This is what it actually means to live in a Vedic age.